In this tutorial, I will demonstrate how to create a dependency. A dependency is a rule that relates the value of an IGOR wave or variable to the values of other waves or variables. By setting up a dependency, you can cause IGOR to update a wave automatically when another wave or variable changes. To demonstrate dependencies, I will use the graph and controls that we created in the last tutorial. On the command line, execute the following two commands. This is exactly what you entered in the update button's procedure, except that here we use :equals in place of equals. The :equal operator creates a dependency formula. In the first expression, the wave spiral y is made dependent on the variable y value. Once the dependency has been created, the wave spiral y changes wherever and whenever you change the variable y value. Adjust the Y control and X control values, but do not click the Update button. Notice that IGOR automatically executes the dependency formula and updates the spiral Y and spiral X waves. On the command line, execute the following statement. This creates another dependency that sets the variable y value equal to 3 times the variable x value. When you execute this statement, both the set variable controls and the graphs update. We can examine all the dependencies we create by selecting the Miscellaneous Object Status menu item. The Object Status dialog lists objects such as strings and numeric variables that otherwise have no visual representation in the experiment. Select Dependent Objects from the pop-up menu under the heading Is one of these. Now select Spiral Y from the pop-up menu under the heading Current Object. The list on the right side of the dialog indicates that spiral Y depends on the variable y value. Double-click the y value entry in the right-hand list. Y value now becomes the current object. The list on the right now indicates that y value depends on x value. Click the Delete Formula button. Now, y value no longer depends on x value. Click Done. Adjust the X control setting to change the variable x value. The y value variable in the Y control does not change, but the spiral Y and spiral X waves still change. Click the Update button. Adjust the Y control and X control settings. The spiral Y and spiral X waves are no longer automatically recalculated. This is because the button procedure function called by the Update button reassigns the spiral Y and spiral X waves using the equal assignment rather than the :equal assignment. The equal reassignment removes the dependency formula.